Some homes are built with bricks and stone, but the ones that truly matter are built with memories. Welcome to 15 Blackthorn Lane, a story that began in 1978, and now a new chapter awaits. Original owners have cared for every corner, blending character from the past with today's refined upgrades. Step inside the grand stone foyer. Light floods oversized living and dining rooms, spaces that have hosted decades of laughter. Gather around the custom kitchen, reimagined with stainless steel appliances and granite counters, where tradition meets taste. Upstairs, each bedroom whispers its own story, generous, comfortable, distinctly personal. The basement? A hidden gem, custom stone bar, full living quarters, and a tucked-away office space for quiet focus. Downstairs, a walkout unveils a tranquil backyard escape, a hot tub under open skies, and a space for morning stretches or peaceful meditation. This isn't just a house, it's a legacy. Are you ready to write the next chapter? 15 Blackthorn Lane, for the moments that matter.